it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween candle. It's going to be real simple, easy, completely for beginners. So let's get started. I'm going to draw a flat line at the top. And I'm going to pull downward for a kind of a, oops, my marker is kind of gross. Hold on. Kind of drying out. So I'm going to pull downward over here for kind of a goopy wax, melted candle area. Pulling down here again, longer this time, wax area. Shorter here. Gonna pull on this side now. Down over here on this side, pull up and curve in. Downward right here, downward right there for the rest of the candle itself. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button and subscribe if you like learning how to draw Halloween. I'm gonna be posting Halloween videos throughout the whole season. When you subscribe, it's not going to subscribe you just for this year. It's going to subscribe you for next year when I start posting again Halloween stuff. So absolutely hit the subscribe button, okay? It subscribes you for every year when in the appropriate time. Going to go over here, line up for the wick. Droplet shape right there for the actual candle itself. And the repeated shape on the inside, okay? And that's pretty much it. What if you want though as well, you can draw like a puddle here, right? Like it's melting all the way down. You can draw maybe another droplet on the side there, like it's literally like it's spilling out. But very, very, very simple. As easy as you can make it. That's it. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.